Road bikes continue to evolve, offering incredible performance and value at every price point. Today, we're comparing two impressive contenders in the $3,000 range, the Dolan ADX and the Merida Scultura Endurance 4000. Both bikes bring unique strengths to the table, from frame materials and design to component choices and overall build quality. Each has carved out its own following among riders for good reason. So which one's better? Let's find out. The Merida's CF3 carbon fiber frame demonstrates good build quality with clean internal finishes, though it's not the highest grade in Merida's range. The frame includes cooling fins between the calipers and frame, designed to reduce heat buildup by 35%. The frame's construction suggests good longevity with proper care, and the ERT54 rotors show decent durability despite not matching the performance of higher-end options. The Dolan's titanium construction offers legendary durability that could last a lifetime. The titanium gear hanger, while slightly flexy, shares the frame material's durability. The bike's overall construction quality, evidenced by its neat welds and robust tubing, promises excellent long-term durability that surpasses most other frame materials. The Merida comes equipped with a Shimano 105 R7020 group set featuring hydraulic disc brakes and 11-speed mechanical shifting. It includes a compact 50x34T chain set paired with an 1134T cassette. The wheels are Merida Expert SL aluminum rims with 28 spokes, fitted with Maxxis detonator tires. The bike weighs in at just under 9 kg and features a carbon fiber seat post alongside an aluminum alloy handlebar and stem components. Dolan's base model starts with Shimano 105 hydraulic disc brakes, but can be customized with various group sets. It features tubeless Mavic Cosmic wheels, an 1132T cassette, and Deta and Supacaz cockpit components. The complete bike weighs 9.54 kg. It offers customizable specifications down to crank length and stem size based on rider preferences. The Merida Scultura Endurance 4000 boasts several notable features, including clearance for 35mm tires, internal cable routing through the headset, and integrated cooling fins for the brake system. The frame incorporates mounting points for twin bottle cages and hidden mudguard mounts, though these require some manipulation for fitting. The bike also features a compact geometry with a tall head tube and short stem, influenced by mountain bike design principles. The Dolan ADX disc comes with a comprehensive set of practical features, including mudguard clearance, rear pannier mounts, and compatibility with both mechanical and electronic group sets. Its semi-sloping geometry provides increased vertical compliance, while the curved seat enhances comfort. The frame features internal cable routing, deep drop brakes with 57mm clearance. The Merida delivers a balanced performance profile with good power transfer and comfortable ride quality. It demonstrates excellent stability and predictable handling, though it lacks pinpoint precision in technical sections at high speed. The bike responds well to input while maintaining a neutral steering feel, making it suitable for both quick blasts and longer rides. Despite its comfort-oriented design, it maintains enough stiffness for efficient power transfer and engaging ride quality. The Dolan proves itself as a capable long-distance performer. It offers direct power transfer while maintaining comfort, with slight flex noticeable only under extreme sprint conditions. The bike excels in maintaining speed and provides smooth rolling characteristics without feeling dull. Its geometry allows for comfortable long-distance riding, while remaining responsive enough for spirited cycling. The Merida Scultura Endurance 4000 is priced at around $2,250, offering excellent value with its carbon frame and Shimano 105 group set. On the other hand, the Dolan Titanium, a DX disc, starts at $2,000 with Shimano 105. It's aimed at endurance athletes and touring cyclists who prioritize long-term value and customization. The bike represents exceptional value in the titanium category, targeting riders who appreciate the material's properties and want a bike that can serve multiple purposes year-round. The Merida excels with its modern design, balanced handling, and excellent value proposition. Its carbon frame offers good comfort and performance, though the stock wheels and tires could be better. The bike provides a great platform for upgrades and delivers a refined riding experience suitable for various riding styles. However, it may not satisfy those seeking the most aggressive, performance-oriented machine. The Dolan stands out with its timeless titanium construction, impressive durability, and extensive customization options. While it may have some minor aesthetic quirks and lacks through axles in its current form, it offers exceptional value in the titanium category and proves itself as a capable all-rounder. The ultimate choice depends on whether you prioritize modern carbon technology and value for money or long-term durability and customization options with the timeless appeal of titanium. That's all for today. Let us know which one of these road bikes are you considering buying in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more updates like this,